Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Yesterday I wasn't able to make a video, and I promised that I would do this today, so here I am. I'd like to jump straight into the chart. This chart is really familiar for you guys. This falling wedge that we've been looking at, for a while now, for a very long time now, and it is still getting respected. And like I said yesterday in our Discord channel, if you're not subscribed to our Discord channel, please consider doing so. I'll leave a link to it in the remarks. But like I said yesterday, I thought that we were going to be supported by this bottom line, and that really was the case. So let's zoom in a little bit, and then let me show you what we saw there. Oh, that's and I'll show you what I saw happening on the 4 hour, and on this is on the daily. So why am I not necessarily worried right now? We've got this W pattern that was a very tradable pattern, which is a very nice pattern, and we saw that breaking out right here from the neckline, and this is also that daily resistance support line, and yeah, that was very interesting because the target out of this W was exactly met. As you can see right here, the target of that line was 23.6k. It went even a little higher, but it got wicked down, so that isn't necessarily a problem. In fact, if we look at this W and the neckline, then you can see that it just retested it perfectly. That's why I believe that in the immediate short term, this could be acting as support again. We might as well go back up to this downward sloping resistance line and move up and down a little bit more. As you can see, this could take another year, or no, another half, 2, 3, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, whatever. But this W was a very nice pattern. It met the target, and then now it is retesting. And like I said yesterday in the Discord, the MACD right here was showing that it could creep up a little bit more, and that was right here when I said that. And like you can see, we did that, and on the daily you can see that it almost exactly closed just above the line, and now it even retested it again and is going back up a little more. So that's quite interesting to see on this daily pattern. If we're looking at a new pattern, you could also see that there is a trend right here, and there is a trend right here. So this basically, we could call this a nice channel. And what we would need to do on the 4 hour, this is the 4 hour chart, is try to break this resistance and then head back up to the top side of this. That's a tradable pattern, which is also interesting, of course. And if you're looking to spot buy, then this line, this bottom line, which acted as support on the daily, is very interesting to see, and seems like a good risk to reward ratio just for spot buying, not necessarily trading with leverage. I'm not doing that right now. I'm just standing on the sidelines trying to find places where to buy Bitcoin in spot, and just DCA DCA that all the way and just build up my profile in this bear market for the next bull run, which will be very interesting bull run in my opinion. But yeah, we'll have to wait and see until we get out of that, of course. So yeah, that's a very interesting pattern that unfolded right now, especially on the daily. If you're spot trading, then the daily and the weekly patterns are more interesting than the hourly or the 4 hourly. But it is interesting to see that the MACD right here is just losing momentum. It looks like it could be crossing over anytime soon, which is a possibility, of course. That will take a few days if that it even is going to be the case. And then this line would go there, and then this line would go there. That's a bearish cross, but that is a possibility, and it's not necessarily the case because I believe that the support is found right here, and that will be respected for now at least, I guess. So yeah, let's look at Ethereum, which is also basically has the same pattern. That W which broke out, it reached the target, and then it also broke down, and you can see this downward sloping resistance line is acting as support right here as well. So that's very interesting. I'm not necessarily bearish right now, although the daily MACD also here is looking to make potentially cross over again. But yeah, I'm not that worried for now. And that's basically it for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's look at the dollar index, which is still, yeah, we can zoom out a little on the weekly, which is still, yeah, at the 106 level, which is basically, yeah, for the last 3 weeks, which is this range right here. Yeah, no significant moves right there. Let me just look at the S&P 500, the S&P 500, or the big 500 biggest companies in the world which you can trade in stocks with, is yeah, basically seeing some volume right here, and it is acting as a support right there. So that is also interesting. Let's look. Oh, that's not the correct thing, but well, let me just draw a horizontal ray, which you can see there is a yeah, volume box right here, which could be acting as support in the S&P 500 as well. It even looks like it's retesting it again, and maybe could potentially go up there. If that's that's the case, then it would be good for Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. So I'm not necessarily worried right now for the immediate short term. The daily doesn't look that great, but the 4 hourly has some upward sloping MACD and has some potential left to grow. If we look at the RSI, you can also see a trend in the RSI, which was this, and we're breaking out of that now. So on the daily and the 4 hourly, this is quite interesting. Yeah, we might see some upwards momentum in this week, but only time will tell, of course. It's Wednesday today, so we've got another 3 days in this week, and then yeah, we'll see what will happen. So that's it for now. If you have any questions for me, please reach out to me through the Discord or leave a remark at the under the video. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I try to, yeah, educate or update everyone as best as I can, and that's how we try to help you and make money. and secure your future, basically. So that's what we're doing right now. So thanks so much for today. I'm gonna start off. Having a nice day, and we'll talk later. Bye.